Billings School District 2 will not arm its teachers to protect students, at least not for now.
The national debate to allow teachers to carry firearms has many districts pondering this question, but school leaders here in Billings eye another solution to improve safety.
Teachers with guns, an emotional topic for parents, students, and educators.
Q2's Dustin Kleeman joining us in studio tonight with more on what School District 2 is planning. Dustin.
Good evening, Jay and Janelle. The district will add a student resource officer for elementary schools, bringing the total patrolling schools to 8. Now, the cost of another SRO falls on the district and ranges from $60,000 to $70,000. It's important to note, under Montana law, school boards have the authority to grant certain individuals, including teachers, the ability to carry guns on school property. Mark Wall, current Athletics and Activities Director, will also spearhead emergency preparedness and school safety. And I'm told whatever the district does in the name of safety is done under careful consideration.
Whenever we do things, we look at it thoughtfully before we implement. So my first reaction to additional armed individuals in our schools is more SROs. I want them to be trained, and I want them to be accountable. And we've had such a great relationship with Chief St. John and our SROs that I don't think it gets much better than that.
A safety forum will be held next week or early April. The community is encouraged to attend and provide their input. We'll tell you when that date is announced. Jane, Janelle.
All right. Thanks, Dustin.